Okay, boys and girls, we're going to read this story problem and solve it. Josh has a piece of wood that is 3/4 of 1 foot in length. We need to cut pieces that are 1/12 of a foot long. How many pieces can Josh cut? Alright, we're going to make sure you write the order of the fraction correctly. The piece you are cutting comes first, and the pieces you need come second. So 3/4 is going to come first. So we're going to take 3/4 and divide that by 1/12. What does that equal? So first we're going to start with a linear way of finding this out. So we'll draw a line. And we'll say the line is 1 foot. And we'll start over here. 1 foot long. And then we'll go and make 1/2 a foot. And we have 1/4 of a foot. And then we have 3/4 of a foot. Okay? So we need to divide this foot into 1/12. So we'll make each quarter into 3 sections. So let's make 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So each one of those lines now represents 1/12. So now I need to figure out how many can I get into 3/4 of the piece of wood? How many pieces can I get into 3/4 of the piece of wood? So we need to end right there. So we're going to count. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So according to this, we will have 9 pieces of wood that are 1/12 of a foot long. And we can try to figure this out another way. We can take, let me do this. So we have 1 foot. This represents 1 foot. Okay? And we're going to break it up into 4ths. So I have some purple cubes that will represent 1/4 of each cube. Okay? So we have 1 foot, they're both 1 foot. Now remember, we're only going to use 3/4 of the wood, and we're trying to figure out how we can get 3/4 divided by 1/12. So I'm going to cut this into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to take some smaller ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So all these equal 1 foot. But we don't need a full foot. Remember, we only need 3/4 of the foot. So if we take 1/4 of that away, how many are we left with? How many pieces can we cut that wood into? Let's count. 1, taking that away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can cut that piece into 9 pieces. Okay, so let's write out the equation. So we have 3/4 divided by 1/12. So now we're going to take the first number and leave it the same. 3/4 times the reciprocal. So we'll turn the second number in reverse. 12 ones. Okay. So we have the first fraction times the reciprocal of the second fraction. So now we're going to multiply the numerators. 3 times 12 is 36. And then we'll multiply the denominators. 4 times 1 equals 4. So now we have an improper fraction, 36/4. So we need to divide that to make it a proper or a whole number. And that divides evenly into 4 into 36 equals 9. So we have 9 pieces of our wood that is 1/12 of a foot long.